is Cal, and I am from Indiana, and it looks like there is going to be a big tornado coming. To be safe, either go in your basement, but if you don't have one, go somewhere where there is no windows. But I prefer not to go on the roads because they are packed. It's going to destroy anything in its path. It's coming by.
Deacon, and there's going to be a hurricane. The hurricanes are huge storms. A hurricane strength is measured by the wind speed. The hurricane can destroy a town and a city.
I'm Caitlin here in Vernon, 2015. I am going to tell you the weather. Oh no, we're going to have a hurricane. Be prepared, be calm, and seek shelter. Listen to the alarm because hurricanes can be very dangerous. They can cause a lot of damage, like ruin houses and stores. So be careful. This is the news and out.